Hey guys, welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. Did you just reset your Android phone and now you're stuck on the Google account verification screen? That's what we call the FRP lock, or factory reset protection. It's designed to stop unauthorized users from resetting and using your phone. But if you forgot your Google account or password, this security feature can become a major headache. Don't worry though. Today, I'm going to show you the easiest and most effective way to bypass the FRP lock using your computer. Whether you're using a Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo, or any other Android brand, this method works across the board. Before we begin, this tutorial is for personal use only. Do not attempt this on someone else's device, or you may face legal consequences. Bypass FRP lock using Tenorshare for UK for Android. Using a computer to fix FRP issues is by far the most convenient solution. There are no complicated steps involved. Download and install For UK for Android on your computer. You can find the download link in the description below. Launch the program and connect your FRP locked Android phone to the computer using a USB cable. On the main interface, choose Remove Google Lock. For UK for Android will help automatically detect your device brand. You can also manually select your device brand if needed: Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo, and more. For UK for Android will list several different methods for removing the Google lock on Samsung phones. We recommend trying the new mode first. It offers better compatibility across more devices. If the new mode doesn't work for your phone, don't worry. You can go back and try another mode. Once everything is ready, click Remove Now. For UK will begin the FRP removal process. The whole process usually takes just a few minutes. Your phone may restart several times during this process. When you see the message that Google Lock has been successfully removed, you're good to go. Now, when the Google sign-in screen appears again, just tap Skip. That's it. Google Lock is gone. No technical knowledge needed. No complex commands required. Supports Android versions from 6 all the way to 15. So it works on most devices out there. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can easily bypass the FRP lock using your computer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our latest mobile repair and unlocking tips. Got questions or ran into trouble? Drop a comment below. We're always here to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.